What is a defensive stock? A defensive stock is a share in a company that stays relatively steady whatever the economy is doing, because it sells things people need all the time. Businesses like supermarkets, utilities, and healthcare providers tend to be defensive since people keep buying food, electricity, and medicine even in a downturn. Their sales and share prices hold up better than most when times are hard. A defensive stock is the opposite of a cyclical stock, whose fortunes swing sharply with the economy's booms and busts. Why does it matter? Defensive stocks matter because they provide stability, cushioning a portfolio when the economy weakens and markets fall. Because their customers keep spending in good times and bad, these companies enjoy steadier sales and profits, so their shares tend to fall less than others in a downturn. Their reliability is precisely what makes them valuable when everything else is falling. They appeal to cautious investors and those who value a smoother ride. Imagine someone nearing retirement who cannot afford a big loss. Defensive stocks offer them exposure to shares with less of the stomach-churning volatility, along with often reliable dividends. That steadiness can be worth more to them than chasing the highest returns. They also tend to pay dependable dividends, which adds to their appeal. Because their earnings are relatively stable, defensive companies can often keep paying income even when the wider market is struggling. For income investors, that dependability of dividends can be a real comfort when other shares are cutting their payouts. Here's a simple example. Imagine a supermarket chain. Whether the economy is booming or in recession, people still need to buy food, so its sales stay fairly steady year in, year out. When a downturn hits and other companies see profits collapse, the supermarket keeps ticking along, and its share price holds up far better than most. Contrast that with a luxury car maker, a classic cyclical business. In the same recession, its sales might collapse as people cut back and its share price could tumble. The supermarket and the car maker face the same economy, but the defensive one barely flinches while the cyclical one lurches. The contrast between the two lays bare what defensive really means in practice. This steadiness is the whole point of defensive stocks. They will rarely be the fastest risers in a roaring boom when racier companies shoot ahead, but they are far less likely to leave you nursing heavy losses when the economy turns down. In short, they aim to lose you less rather than gain you the most. What else should you know? The trade-off with defensive stocks is that they usually grow more slowly. In a strong bull market, they tend to lag behind faster-growing cyclical companies, so a portfolio of only defensives can lag the market for years in a boom. Their strength is in downturns, not booms. They are also not risk-free. The term defensive means steadier, not immune. Even these companies can face problems, cut dividends, or fall in a severe crisis, so they still carry the normal risks of owning shares. For most investors, defensive stocks work best as part of a balanced portfolio, rather than the whole of it. Blended with some cyclical and growth shares, they add stability and income that steady the overall ride. They are the ballast of a portfolio, keeping it upright when stormy markets would otherwise toss it about, and every well-built portfolio benefits from a little of that steadying weight. To sum it all up, a defensive stock is a share in a company that sells things people need whatever the economy is doing, like food, energy, or healthcare, so its sales and share price stay steadier than most through downturns. It offers stability and often dependable dividends, appealing to cautious investors who value a smoother ride. The trade-off is slower growth, and it is steadier rather than risk-free. Defensive stocks work best as the ballast in a balanced portfolio, keeping it stable when markets turn stormy. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.